Okay, in another video I just filmed this blue building, but I just wanted to show you this right here. This goes underground in the most unusual way, and in the past it would go right over there, but I'm not sure if it still does. So this is a new train line that's coming right here. So we're just going to see if we can still follow this underground. So you can see this. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So you can see this little circular thing right here. So we're gonna try to follow that and go under. So right at the top here we have a garden. Some people working on some things. We have this pretty cool looking apartment that's all concave. You know, where people are kind of looking inward into this, looking down inward into this courtyard. And what we're gonna do is follow this down. Oh, right here's a bar, After 5 bar. Come and check it out if you want. And this is the garden right here. Just so you can kind of see before I go in. This is the new train line over there. It hasn't opened yet. Some construction right in the middle. So let's see what we come up with. We're gonna go all the way down. Follow this. Down, 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 down. So now you go underground. Now we're gonna keep following it all the way down. That's where we just sat up there a few minutes ago. And now we're completely underground. And let's see where it goes. I used to go into this big courtyard, but now it's a lot of construction. What's this one? Christmas. Okay. I don't know what that one is. Looks like we're just going to go into construction, which looks like this. And this is where the new train line is coming right here. So we're just going to follow it down. This is where we must have been before. So you can see all what's going on. This statue used to overlook this entire space. Let's see. Kind of frame it in an interesting way like that. Intento da Vittoria. Okay. Construction crane. Okay. Looks like they're doing construction right there. Building some of it. Okay, so they're doing the construction here. And just gonna keep walking through it and see what we can see. Yeah, and it seems this to be all part of the new metro. So that'll go up and it'll go up into this little space here. And all the way around. Looks like there'll be some walkways up there as well. Okay. So yeah, we're looking at what's going to be before the metro, so you can see it's going to be like that. Okay. I keep on looking around. It's going to go into this way. So we have all this. There's the new metro. I'm just going to keep on walking through, and then we'll come up through the other side, and then we'll see if we can see what we can see from up here. Yeah, this was one big plaza, so kids used to play up in this space, and actually they still do skateboarding in this area. So we're just going to walk up here And then we're gonna try to overlook everything. Yep. So there you go. This is the sports center behind me. 30th marathon is January 12th. Sorry, December 1st. So it just passed a few days ago. I can remember hearing about it. And this is going to be called, this is the city of Macau, and this will probably be the city of Macau metro station stop. And you got a row of banyan trees right here. So I can frame them in a nice way. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Alright, we'll just conclude in this spot right here. Yeah, I think these blue buildings are just really, really cool. Just really, really like them a lot. And I'm just gonna zoom in because I have my zoom camera here. And then you can see the detail of these too. So I'll just kind of zoom in. I want to show you a couple of things. So there's like a concave one and kind of a we'll just go to this one first. This is the balcony. What a cool balcony, right? You got windows, then like that little red thing I think is like some kind of parachute thing. It just goes all the way down. I wonder if people could put things in there from whatever balcony they're at. It's pretty cool. But it goes all the way down to the bottom, I guess. I don't know, maybe they put a dumpster right there? I don't know. Then on the other side you have these like apartments that kind of go inward. And there's another one, there's a big thing right down the middle of those two. I'll have to look for that next time. Yeah, pretty cool space though, pretty cool building. Look at that building. It's beautiful, look at that. It's stunning. Such a beautiful building.